Hey guys, to log into Google Finance, go to Google Finance website, googlefinance.com, google.com/finance, excuse me, and find and click the sign in button, usually at the top right of the screen. I already logged in, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another account as if I'm going to sign in. If you don't have an account, you're going to see a direct button that's telling you to sign in, right? The blue button. But if you're like me and you have multiple accounts, just go ahead and hit your profile icon at the top right and hit add another account. A page will pop up. This page basically asking you to, choose an account. And if you have another account, just add a new account using your email or phone and hit next, add the password, and you can log in to Google Finance and use its feature, right, to access your personalized portfolio and watch list. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.